10 simple vocabulary words with meaning starting with the letter L that you might encounter in daily routines. Lake. Meaning: a large body of water surrounded by land. Lamp. Meaning: a device for giving light, especially one that has a covering or is contained within something. Leaf. Meaning: the flat, green part of a plant that grows from a stem or twig. Leg. Meaning: one of the limbs on which a person or animal walks and stands. Lion. Meaning: a large wild cat with a mane, native to Africa and parts of Asia. Log. Meaning: a part of the trunk or a large branch of a tree that has fallen or been cut off. Love. Meaning: strong feeling of affection and care towards someone or something. Luck. Meaning: success or failure apparently brought by chance rather than through one's own actions. Lunch. Meaning: a meal eaten in the middle of the day, typically one that is lighter or less formal than an evening meal. Loud. Meaning: making or capable of making a lot of noise.